Okay, so let's just get into it. I usually apply a little bit of eyelash glue to my eyebrows just to give it a little bit of more define. Here's a couple of pictures of some other artists that I see that do it. I was really inspired by her when I got this idea, but it looks really great too. So here's another photo of how it looks at the end. Don't know if mine is gonna be that good, but I'm praying that I get there. But yeah, so I use a little bit of eyelash glue on both eyebrows. So now I'm gonna use this NX pen in black. Right now this is the only thing that was available, but I can still make things work with what I have. So yeah, so all I'm doing now is bringing the pencil down to the end of my eyebrow just to create an arch. Concealer, and I'm going to be applying it with my Morphe brush. But just clean up right underneath your eyebrow. Like I said before, just be very neat and also take your time. There's no rush. So I actually decided to change my brush in the middle of filming because I love a flat brush. Those ones are better for my more defined eyebrow look. So I go in with the flat brush underneath what I just did, but I usually prefer you start off with a flat brush no matter what. What I do is I like to slide my concealer and blend that makeup into my skin. So now I decided to take my beauty blender because I feel like I put a little bit too much concealer on, so I can get most of it into my skin, and also to take some of the product off as well, because I did put a little bit too much concealer on, but it was really easy fix. So I split the screen into two to show how I define my eyebrow with and the second screen shows how I use my concealer to highlight the upper brow